Can homemade barbecue sauce be easy to make and taste as amazing as your favorite barbecue restaurant? Hi friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and I certainly think so because making your own sauce allows you to tailor the flavors and adjust the spice level, sweetness, tanginess, and smokiness. Basically, you could create the perfect barbecue sauce for your taste preferences. Sautéing the onion until soft and translucent adds this lighter and refreshing flavor versus sautéing the onion until caramelized, which adds a deeper and richer flavor. Using tomato sauce and tomato paste creates a rich and robust classic base for the sauce. The molasses and brown sugar will bring in a sweetness and rich undertones. Tanginess and acidity is done by adding apple cider vinegar. The Worcestershire, soy sauce, and liquid smoke provides a savory and smoky quality, and the spice is done through the mesquite seasoning, red chili flakes, black pepper, and onion and mustard powder. Okay, so I know it sounds like an over-the-top amount of components for making homemade barbecue sauce. However, each one of the ingredients can be adjusted, which allows you the freedom and flexibility to find the perfect flavor profile for you. Additionally, once everything is measured, the making of the sauce is so very quick and easy. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.